So let us prepare ourselves as we present Bisagala 2025.
Representing our Sigalas. First, our young lady dressed in a long red gown, carrying a yellow triangular flag. She represents the coming of Christianity. Our Reina Bandurada's sister, Corazon and Ramado from Santo Niño Crusader School.
Carries a cross that symbolizes the virtue of faith, the first theological virtues. Our Reina Pe, Sister Annabel Abel from Disciples for Christ, with her angel, Sister Melissa Aga.
Also known as Queen of Hope, the second theological virtues. She carries an anchor that symbolizes the virtue of hope. Our Reina Esperanza, Sister Ruth Abayaw, from Holy Family Filipino Catholic Group, with her angel, Sister Michelle Perez.
Next, also known as Queen of Charity, the third theological virtues. She carries a red-colored heart. Our Reina Caridad, Sister Elena Dingle from Christ the King Group, with her angel, Sister Faye Ligaspi.
She is the patron of laughter. She carries a handkerchief to cover the laughter. Our Santa Sara, Sister Maricel Reyes from Christ the Queen Group.
Next, she was the sister of Moses and Aaron. She is also known as Prophets. She carries a baby in the basket that represents Moses left on the side of the river. Our Santa Miriam, from Christ our Hope and Life, Sister Mercy Sigayo.
Personification of mirror of justice, blindfolded and carries a weighing scale and a sword. Our Reina Justicia, Sister Junabeth Lanoy from Sacred Heart of Jesus Group.
Next, she was a pious woman who demonstrates great faith, resolve, mercy, and courage. She carries a scepter. Our Reina Esther, Sister Jocelyn Ciar from Sons and Daughters of Divine Mercy Group.
A daughter of the line of Aaron and the wife of Zacharias. She was righteous before God and was blameless. She is also a cousin of Virgin Mary. She is pregnant and bear a son called John. Our Santa Elizabeth, Sister Remeline Sanayan from Ambrose Gugma Prayer Group.
Next, a patron saint of musicians in church music in Catholic and Orthodox traditions. She carries a musical instrument. Our Santa Cecilia, Sister Jolie May Bababonyo from Queen of Angel Presidio.
She is an Italian saint and one of the first followers of Saint Francis of Assisi, founder of the Order of Poor Ladies. She carries a monstrance, a shining lamp that represents bright, clear, and brilliant. Our Santa Clara from Hong Kong Filipino Catholic Biblical Pastoral Ministry, Sister Juanita Torres.
Known as Monica of Hippo. She was an early Christian saint. She is a mother, widow, religious laywoman, and the mother of Saint Augustine. She carries a Bible symbolizing her strong faith. Our Santa Monica, Sister Sonia Apante, from Holy Family Filipino Catholic Group.
A patron saint of vision. She was a virgin martyr who died during the period of Roman persecution of Christians. She carries a flower with two eyes. Our Santa Lucia, Sister Marley Diluvio from Sons and Daughters of Divine Mercy.
She was only 13 years old, Roman girl, when she shattered martyrdom. She was a virgin and martyr. She carries a palm branch on her hand and a sheep that symbolizes her chastity, purity, and sacred. Our Santa Agnes from Ambrose Gugma Group, Sister Christine Garcia.
Saint of the Roman Catholic and the Eastern Orthodox churches, a patron saint of nuns, convulsive children, and invoked against storm and rain. Our Santa Scholastica, Sister Luella Liberian from the Lord's Club Group.
Queen of the Flores de Mayo. She carries a bouquet of flowers that symbolizes femininity. Our Reina de las Flores, Sister Cheryl Reyes from Love of God Prayer Group.
She was the first person to see Jesus after he rose from the dead. She carries a bottle of perfume who wiped Jesus' feet. Our Maria Magdalena, Sister Joanne Olvina from Sacred Heart of Jesus Group.
Also known as Hannah, means favor of grace. A patron saint of carpenters, childless people, horseback riders, woman in labor and minors, mother of Virgin Mary. Our Santa Ana from Parish Pastoral Council, Sister Aurea Reyes, with Anastasia Ocon.
of Jerusalem who said to have been moved by the suffering of Jesus. A woman who rushed to wipe Jesus' face as he carries his cross to Calvary. She carries a bandana imprinted with the three praises of Jesus. Our Santa Veronica, Sister Mercy Angeli Lape from Christ Our Hope and Life Group.
She attached herself to Immaculate Virgin Mary, representing with extraordinary mystical gift by means of sign of the cross. She carries bottle of holy water. Our Santa Mariana, Sister Rona May Aguilion from the Lord's Flock Sunday Group.
She was best known as a saint who received vision from the Virgin Mary in a cave near Lourdes. Our Santa Bernadette, Sister Mirasol Fuertes from Disciples for Christ Group.
Representing Judith, sentenced for killing Holofernes. She stands for early Christians, especially the virgins who were martyred for the faith. She has her hands bound by a rope. Our Reina Sentenciada, Sister Gina Payumo, from Hong Kong Filipino Catholic Biblical Pastoral Ministry Group.
Who visited the famed King Solomon and was overwhelmed by his wisdom, power, and riches. She carries a jewelry box. Our Reina Sheba, Sister Angeles Monteseres from Love of God Prayer Group.
Our Reina Elena 2024, Sister Virginia Arseno from Disciples for Christ Group.
She is the highlights of procession, the legendary founder of the cross, represented by the small cross she carries in her arms. She is escorted by her son Constantine under the huge canopy of Mayflower. Our Reina Elena 2025, Sister Pearl J. Rodrigo from Our Lady of the Sky Presidium Group.